And welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could edit the component of your signature. All what you need to do, open Outlook and click on new email as like you are writing a new email, and then click on signature in the first panel message, click on signature, select signatures. Make sure to select the concerned signature, click on it to have it selected in blue, go to the below panel and make sure to change or to perform the changes which you want. Once done, click OK, and all your changes has been saved. I will click again, select my signature, and as you can see, the signature has been changed. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, leave us a comment or send us an email. If you would like, you can always encourage us to make more video tutorials by clicking like and share, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.